Welcome to webbikeworld.com. In this video we are comparing the GoPro HD, Deift HD170, Deift HD, and the Replay XD1080 video cameras. Each of these video cameras has complete detailed reviews and individual videos on webbikeworld.com, so be sure to read them for all the details. First up is the GoPro HD with a live view GoPro backpack, which we think has the overall best quality video of any of the motorcycle video cameras we have reviewed so far. Don't forget that the quality of the video you see here is somewhat degraded from the video out of the camera due to the various compression algorithms used by YouTube and in post-processing. This compilation video was processed in Adobe Photoshop Elements 10.0 and saved as H.264 in full 1080p at 30 frames per second as an AVC HD file. Next is the Deift HD170, which also takes decent quality HD video and has a live view. The GoPro HD and Deift cameras have a 170-degree field of view lens, which gives the video some barrel distortion that is especially noticeable if the camera is not mounted horizontally. Next is the new Deift HD, also reviewed recently on webbikeworld.com. For some reason, the video quality doesn't appear to be as good as the Deift HD170, with exposure variations and slow light to dark contrast reaction times in this camera. Finally, the new Replay XD1080 is a very small camera that has some surprising features and accessories, so be sure to read the full webbikeworld.com review on this one. The video quality is very good, nearly the equal of the GoPro HD in most conditions. For more information, the full reviews of each of these video cameras, more videos and photos, and many more motorcycle product reviews, please visit webbikeworld.com. Thanks for watching.